this is Kinabuhing America vlog. Today we are at the park and I don't know what is the park name of this, so I will let you know what is the name of this park. What is the name of the park, huh? Okay, let me see. Then it's 8 o'clock in the evening and still there is a sun. Okay guys, this is all about what's the name? Okay guys, I'm gonna show to you what is the name of this park. Okay, here we go. That one, and there is a trail over there. Okay guys, I will let you know what is this.
Sawyer Quarry Preserve.
Sawyer Quarry Preserve. Okay, it is in Lime City Road, Perrysburg, Ohio. So this is, I think, 20 minutes away from our house, guys. Okay.
Quarry means it's a deep hole, big.
Okay. Okay, this is all around in here. Let's show you that one. Okay. That one. There is a trail over
This is where
here.
the rappel at.
Caution. Step drop off. Repellers must reduce. What is repeller, hon? Ay. Oh my goodness. Look at guys. Woo!
They rappel down this. Don't look to the edge.
Wow!
You love me, Mom?
Yeah.
You love me?
What is that? What they repel? Oh, there is a trail over there. Can we go over there? Oh, look at guys. Oh, it's really
Mom,
very... I know, it's dangerous. Okay, we're gonna go to the trail a little bit here. There is something that we can go this way. Okay, guys. Uy, kuyaw sad. Uy, takot talaga tayo dito, guys. Pero may ano sila, look at, may rope sila na pwede mong hawakan, guys. You can, yan. Look at. And
there's snakes at this time of year.
Abby, don't scares me.
Today,
Really? Where?
in the middle of the road, somebody ran over.
Okay, what kind of snake?
A wrap around.
Ooh.
Now remember, you go down a hill, you walk up a hill.
Ah. Don't go.
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I gotta watch you and the snakes.
Oh no. What is that? Caution, step drop. Ah.
Here's how you get up. There's the steps.
There's a steps, guys, and look. Oh. There is a steps over there.
Yeah, that's how you get down there.
Look at guys. I don't know what's this one.
Poisonberry.
Oh, don't see that. No, see? There's caution, step, drop off. Okay, look at that one. Wait, there is something over there. What is that? That one.
Double for accidents.
Oh, there is a step on this. Look at the steps. I think, what kind of that house that? Maybe you can, for rent, I think so. It's the middle of nowhere, guys. Oh my god, no. What is that? No smoking?
No.
There is caution over there. Don't go. Oh wow. This is registered, huh?
If you're going to be a repeller,
What is repeller?
those are people with ropes who go to. See that cliff right over there?
Uh-huh.
They'd tie a rope at the top, climb down, and climb up. That's a repeller.
Okay. Oh, there is something over there. Okay, this is like mountains. Wait, kinanglan kailangan kang kailangan you have to
They have
To go
quarries
down.
in the Philippines.
what?
This is a quarry.
Oh yeah, I
It
know.
used to be a quarry.
So you're gonna go that one, but if you will walk, we don't register.
Yeah.
If just walking.
Exactly. Look at this, Mom.
What is that? Is that a snake? Don't touch! Do not touch! Oh! What's that? What's that?
Probably a rabbit.
Is that a rabbit?
I don't know.
Hi guys! Did you see me? See me? That one is. We. Because we are here. It's a little bit cool. But it's almost 9 o'clock in the evening, guys. Almost 9 o'clock. Okay guys, just explore here. This is the first time that we came in here and look at. Oh, that's a cliff. Ooh. Javi, are you okay to go down?
You keep wanting me to get exercise.
Proceed with the caution step. Look at. Proceed with the caution. That one. Step drop off. Uneven surface and rocky. This is a rocky place and rocky. Huh?
They call that rocky terrain.
What is that? No.
No swimming.
How will you swim this one? There is no water.
Just go over there so you can see something.
Is there any water over there?
Well, there's a reason why it says no swimming.
They said no swimming, so meaning there is a water?
No, you aren't swimming in the dirt.
Okay guys, is that really nice in here? First time, I've been here in Ohio since 2013 and this is not far from our house, but it's the first time that we came in here and look. No swimming or what's that? What is wading in the water?
Just walking in the water.
Hey, I don't know. How could you wading in the water? There is no water. Silly.
I think it's dried up.
Maybe there is a water during.
But those are the kind of weeds that normally grow in water.
Oh, so maybe there was a water before in here. Oh, this is cliff. Guys, look. Oy, buntut. Oy, mountain. Oy, mga. Ooh. Is this man-made or no?
Yeah.
Ah,
It
okay.
used to be a quarry, Mom.
Yeah, I
They
thought.
used to chip these rocks out.
Why?
Use it in product.
Because I thought that is not man-made, like a natural. That is why they don't want. Ah, there is water here. A little bit. There's water over there. That is why. See?
Do you need a bath?
Okay. So I'm just will show you guys. This is sa Pilipinas pa quarry. Oh. See? When you can walk over that way. It's cold now. It's 9 o'clock, guys. And look at still we have sun. Look at.
The only snake you have to worry about in this area is a brown-colored snake.
What is a brown color snake?
Copperhead. You don't want to get bit by a copperhead.
Why?
It's related to the rattlesnake.
I thought they don't have snake in here. It's only in Florida.
Mom, there's snakes in all 50 states.
I spoke. Wait, I like this. I like these plants.
That's sort of a strange leaf.
What leaf? That one?
Yeah.
I don't know what kind of leaf this one. What kind of tree? You guys okay?
Lisa's adventure in nature.
Exploring nature. I love nature, guys. That one, look at. How would you climb that one? So, quarry ang tawag dito sa Pilipinas, guys. Quarry. In English man, in English, quarry. Quarry. But it's really nice because there is a step on that. Ooh, that one is a very. Ooh, look at that one. The place that we standing over that
Huh?
is very high.
This is
Deep.
part of the Wood County Park System.
Wood County is deep. Deep. Uy, kumbana nangutot.
And that toot was courtesy of
Oh, yan. Nangutot. Utut-ut. Hi, guys. Thank you for watching. And we're ready to go home. Guys, I'm just exploring nature here. And this is the first time that we explore here. Really nice, guys. Oh, you're gonna... Careful, and
what? Go get you.
what? Oh, I don't know what is that. Don't. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. Again, this is Kinabuhing America vlog. Do not forget to support and subscribe my channel. And bye-bye, guys. Love you. Please watch and thank you.